At Renaissance Day Spa, we do services from face to toes. We do massage therapy, skin care, manicures, pedicures, and all related body services. Renaissance Day Spa got started about 16 years ago. We're a family-owned business, and we've been in this township, as I said, for 16 years. So I guess you'd say we were pioneers in this business. At that time, people had no idea what a day spa was. The atmosphere at Renaissance is very, very relaxing. We're here to serve you. That's what's important to us.
I definitely think Renaissance Day Spa is the best because of the environment that you're put in, the love that you're surrounded by from everybody here. Everyone treats you like you're the only person here, and the services are phenomenal. There's a variety of choices. You can get whatever you want when you come here.
Something that I've done here is I've made sure that I surrounded myself and our clients with the best service providers. They can take care of just about every need that you have. To make our clients feel special at Renaissance Day Spa, we remember who they are. We remember what they like. We remember their families, the stories that they tell us. But the best part of it is, that's between us and them. It doesn't go any further than that. We build a relationship. This has been a business of relationships.
Oh, I think what makes Renaissance Day Spa the best is the service providers. They know exactly what they're doing, and they know how to make me feel wonderful.
I feel that the services that we offer at Renaissance are incredibly important, particularly in this day and age. These are tough times. People need to relax. People need to come together. They need to come to this as a watering hole, an oasis, a place for relaxation, a place to de-stress, maybe a place just to come to grips with their own thoughts, feelings, ideas. That's what Renaissance is about.
I am a spa junkie. I have been all over the place looking for a great spa, and I've been to a lot of them. And after searching high and low, I just continually came back to Renaissance Day Spa. It is absolutely the best.
Oh, after I've had a service at Renaissance Day Spa, I feel like $1 million. I feel rejuvenated, refreshed, relaxed. It's wonderful.
I always say that the clients that come into Renaissance Day Spa come in happy, but they definitely leave happier. That's what Renaissance Day Spa is all about.
For more information, please visit our website at selectondemand.com